If your kitchen appliances all work fine, but somehow still make your space feel cold, cluttered, or completely uninspiring, you're not alone. A lot of electric kettles are practical, sure, but they also look like generic office appliances sitting on your counter. And if you drink tea or coffee every single day, that little moment of boiling water actually becomes part of your routine. That's exactly why the Pinky Up Noelle ceramic electric tea kettle stands out immediately. This is a 1.5-liter ceramic electric kettle with a gooseneck spout, cordless design, and temperature control features aimed at people who want their kitchen appliances to feel both functional and stylish. It's designed for tea drinkers, coffee lovers, and, honestly, anyone who appreciates products that make everyday routines feel a little more enjoyable instead of purely functional. You can find a direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing you notice is obviously the design. The glossy mint ceramic finish, paired with the rose gold accent, gives this kettle a softer, more boutique feel compared to standard stainless steel electric kettles. It honestly looks more like high-end kitchen decor than a small appliance. And unlike a lot of trendy-looking products that sacrifice usability for appearance, this one still feels thoughtfully designed for everyday use. The ceramic body gives it a sturdier, more premium feel in the hand compared to lightweight plastic kettles. There's also something nice about knowing your boiling water isn't sitting inside plastic components, especially if you're sensitive to lingering smells or odd tastes that some cheaper kettles can create over time. The fully ceramic interior helps the water taste clean and neutral, whether you're brewing tea, making pour-over coffee, oatmeal, instant soups, or even preparing quick meals. One of the biggest strengths here is the Gooseneck Spout. If you've ever tried making pour-over coffee with a standard kettle that dumps water too aggressively, you'll immediately appreciate the controlled flow here. The longer spout creates a slower, more precise pour that feels smoother and safer, especially when serving guests or brewing delicate teas that benefit from gentler water distribution. Performance-wise, the one-touch boiling system keeps things simple. You flip the switch, and within a few minutes, you've got a full kettle of hot water ready to go. It's noticeably faster than boiling water on most stovetops, and because it's electric, you don't have to babysit it constantly. The cordless design also makes it more convenient than expected. You can lift it directly from the base and move freely around the kitchen without dragging cords or awkwardly repositioning the kettle. In everyday use, this kettle fits naturally into routines without feeling complicated. Morning coffee prep feels quicker, evening tea becomes more relaxing, and hosting guests honestly feels a little nicer when you're pouring from something that actually looks elegant on the table. It's one of those products that quietly improves small daily habits rather than dramatically changing your life overnight. Now, there are a few trade-offs worth mentioning. Because the kettle is ceramic, it's definitely heavier than plastic or thinner stainless steel alternatives, especially when full. It also requires a little more care during handling since ceramic can chip if dropped or knocked hard against countertops. And while the design is beautiful, people looking for ultra-modern digital features or precise degree-by-degree temperature customization may find this more style-focused than tech-focused. Compared to similarly priced kettles from brands like Bella, KitchenAid, or Fellow, the Pinky Up Noelle sits in a really interesting middle ground. It prioritizes aesthetics more than many competitors, but still performs well enough to avoid feeling gimmicky. Some kettles in this price range focus heavily on advanced settings, while others lean entirely into appearance without delivering reliable performance. This one balances both surprisingly well. Overall, if you want an electric kettle that feels stylish, practical, and genuinely enjoyable to use every day, the Pinky Up Noelle is honestly a really solid option, especially for tea drinkers, coffee lovers, or anyone trying to make their kitchen feel a little warmer and more personal, instead of purely functional. If you've been looking for a kettle that adds personality to your countertop while still handling daily tasks, well, this is definitely worth checking out. And if this review helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the link in the description for current pricing and availability.